every passing moment.
I walk through days of silence, searching for a sign, lost in echoes of the past, wondering if love would find.
Then you came like sunrise, warming all the cold, and I felt my heart awaken, standing brave and bold.
Your eyes became my compass, your voice became my song. Together we found meaning where we both belong.
In the space between our palms, our future starts to beat. Two hearts aligned in motion, finding love complete.
Time whispers softly, fate's written in our names.
Together we rise,
Together we claim.
two hearts, one beat, racing side by side. When you hold me close, I feel alive. Every moment with you, everything's right. Two hearts, one beat, forever in our sight. When storms try to break us, I'll anchor you in mine. In your arms I find shelter, and a love that won't resign.
Your smile becomes a sunrise I've been waiting for so long. In your light I found home, in your strength I am strong.
And when the night falls softly, I'll hold you through the dark. Our souls intertwined, igniting every spark.
With you I know forever isn't just a dream. It's the melody of hope, it's the echo of our team.
We'll walk this road together, hand in hand we'll go through every high, through every low.
And in the quiet moments, when the world is asleep, you'll hear the whisper.
Our hearts don't skip a beat. Two hearts, one beat, racing side by side. When you hold me close, I feel alive. Every moment with you, everything's right. Two hearts, one beat, forever in our sight. Two hearts, one beat, in the dance of time. Our love a gentle thunder, pure and undefined. Stay with me, and I'll stay with two hearts, one beat. We see this through. Two hearts,
One beat.
in your arms I'm complete. Ooh, ooh. I used to move to my own beat, lost in the noise beneath my feet. But then you came and time aligned, our rhythms matched, our hearts combined.
You touched my hand, the air stood still. A quiet rush, a sacred thrill. Now every breath, each rise and fall, feels like we've been one through it all.
I can't tell where I end, you begin.
Your heartbeat echoes deep within.
Every moment we're aligned, like love designed this perfect time. Two hearts, one pulse, moving in the rhythm of trust. Every beat's a promise made, every silence softly swayed. Two hearts, one pulse, bound by something more than us. when two souls beat synchronized. Two hearts, one pulse, moving in the rhythm of trust. Every beat's a promise made, every silence softly swayed. Two hearts, one pulse, bound by something more than us. We don't even have to try. Love just breathes and we come alive. When my heart stumbles, you're still guide.
When I'm afraid, I feel you inside.
When distance tries to break the sound,
Our rhythm pulls the world around. We're tethered in this holy tune.
two hearts that beat beneath the moon. Two hearts moving in eternal trust. Every tear, every flame still returns to your name. Two hearts, one pulse, not apart but one of us. Every lifetime, every line, we'll find our rhythm every time.
Even in silence, you still move.
My heart reminds me of what we
Bruised. Two hearts, one pulse.
You know, your smile was the compass that always led me home. From every quiet morning to each long winding street, every single memory, the bitter and the sweet, it all led to this moment, standing